Stocks in New Solar World Energy, Jaro Institute, Acme Solar, Seshasai Technologies, Anand Rathi Share and Time Technoplast. 1. SolarWorld Energy Solutions IPO opens, check analysts' review, issue details and latest GMP. SolarWorld Energy Solutions is offering its shares in the price band of Rs 333 to 351 apiece, applied for a minimum of 42 shares and its multiples to raise 490 crore rupees between September 23 to 25. 2. Jaro Institute of Technology Management and Research IPO opens, should you subscribe? Jaro Institute of Technology Management and Research is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 846 to 890 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 16 shares and its multiples to raise 450 crore rupees between September 23 to 25. 3. Acme Solar secures 1,100 crore rupees refinancing from SBI, stock reacts. The renewable energy player announced that it has secured a refinancing package worth 1,100 crore rupees from State Bank of India, SBI, for its 300 megawatts project in Rajasthan. In a stock exchange filing, the company said the funds have been raised for a tenure of nearly 17 years to refinance existing debt and reduce financing costs by around 100 basis points. This refinancing has been secured from State Bank of India, SBI. 4. Seshasai Technologies IPO opens today, check reviews, latest GMP, issue details and more. Seshasai Technologies is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 402 to 423 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 35 shares and its multiples to raise 813.07 crore rupees between September 23 to 25. 5. Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers IPO opens today, should you subscribe to it? Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 393 to 414 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 36 shares and its multiples to raise 745 crore rupees between September 23 to 25. 6. Time Technoplast bonus shares after 18 years, explaining today's optical 50% drop. Time Technoplast. This is the company's second bonus issue after August 2006, when it had also issued shares in the same 1:1 ratio, data compiled from corporate database as equity shows. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.